How to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Roku TV. First, navigate to Settings. Using the Roku remote, navigate to Settings, and this is typically represented by a gear icon. Select Network. Within the Settings menu, locate and select the Network option. This section manages all network-related configurations for your Roku TV. Choose Wireless or set up a new connection. If your Roku TV has never been connected to a wireless network, select Set up New Connection. And then understand network options. You have three options: wireless, Wi-Fi, wired Ethernet, and private hotspot. Now connect to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Scan for networks. The Roku TV will initiate a scan for available wireless networks within a range. Select your Xfinity network. From the list of available networks, locate and select your Xfinity Wi-Fi network's SSID. And then enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password and establish the connection. Go ahead and test your connection and troubleshoot if you encounter any problems. And that is how to connect Xfinity Wi-Fi to Roku TV.